My name is Sandra Essex and welcome to my channel. If you have never visited my channel before, my channel is all about empowering people to live their dreams. We do reviews on companies, products, tools, money making, and self-improvement tips. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into today's video review. Now, the company that we're going to be sharing with you today, if you're interested in having a legitimate job working from the comfort of your home, the company that we're going to share with you today is a company called Liveops. Now, if you haven't heard of Liveops, Liveops is a United States-based company, and it's based in Arizona, and it was started in roughly 2000, in the year 2000. Now, over the years, Liveops has become a reputable force in the customer care online industry for customer service to be provided to companies throughout the world. Now, in 2020, as you see here, they have been voted one of the top companies to work for in 2020. Their Better Business recognized. In 2019, they won the award for sales and customer service. They've been written about in Forbes magazine, Inc. 500, the New York Times, CNBC has featured a story on them. And so this is just to answer the question, is this a reputable company to work for? And it is. Now, Liveops has over 20,000 people working throughout the United States as remote customer service reps, and they work from the convenience of their home. So this right here was just to give you a little brief history on Liveops, and Liveops is a reputable company to work for and not a scam. Now, with Liveops, your primary job is customer service. So if you're interested in working for Liveops and not really sure what customer service entails, the Google search for customer service is customer service representatives help customers with complaints, questions, give customers information about products and services, takes orders, and processes returns. By helping customers understand the product and answering any questions about any reservations that they might have about the particular product, they are sometimes seen as having the role as a sales representative. So this is just a cursory overview from Google of what a customer service person is and what jobs they perform. Now, as that relates to Liveops, Liveops has different fields of customer service that you can work from the convenience of your home. So in this review, I'd like to share with you some of the customer service positions that you can apply for with Liveops. And I'd like to stress again, Liveops is hiring now. They hire weekly, okay? So Liveops do have current jobs available. Now, some of the agent opportunities that you can have working with Liveops is their traditional customer service department. Now, that entails traditional customer service care, handling inquiries and complaints, exchanges, and etc. for whatever company you will be assigned to work with. And it's great for people who want flexibility and also if you just want to work seasonal. But they do have regular full-time hours available, okay? Now, you also could be a food service customer care rep with Liveops. Now, with this position, it's good for people who want to make extra cash at nights and on weekend, or as an additional client for agents looking to expand their businesses. Okay, so you could be a food order taker. Now, if you want a more fast-paced and you have more experience with customer service via the phone and online, their inbound sales position is a fast-paced calls for a variety of products and services and incentives initiatives that can quickly increase your earning potential. Because working for Liveops, you are an independent contractor. You set your own hours and how little or how much you would like to work. And this position right here is great for people who want a lot of flexibility in scheduling and enjoy a fast-paced sales environment. Now, they do have a insurance claims department. Now, with this, you're going to have to be a licensed insurance agent. And with this, their agents are, they call their agents insurance angels. It's a good choice for people who love helping people through difficult situations and have prior experience in the insurance industry. Okay, now the insurance claims, the insurance sales department is a inbound calling, converting leads for top insurance companies, and it's great for new or seasoned insurance agents. So again, for this position, you're going to have your insurance license. Okay, then they have a patient support care customer service rep, and this is for a unique patient support program, and it's best for people who want to work 20 to 30 hours per week or more, and on a daytime only schedule. So if you want to work for Liveops, but the only time that you have is a daytime schedule, this position right here would be a good position for you to look at. And then they have a customer service position for roadside assistance. Now, this is great for people with some dispatch experience and want to work at least 10 hours per week. So they have all different types of customer service positions to apply for. You just basically have to go to their website and look to see what positions your skill would be good for. Now, before you apply to Liveops, I think we're going to be sharing with you some of the things that are required to even get a position with Liveops. Again, we're letting you know that Liveops only hires U.S. residents, and it is a United States-based company in Arizona. Okay, so what you might be asking yourself, what do you really need to get started? First of all, you need a quiet workplace. It's critical to prevent background noises when you're making your calls. They can't hear kids or doorbells or anything like that. So you need a nice, quiet, secure area. You need a corded headset or either a computer with a wired connection to. You need a corded headset with a telephone, and you need a computer with a wire connection to the internet. You can't have Wi-Fi or anything like that, so you have to have that fast DSL hookup. It says, while most agents choose to work from home, you can have a setup anywhere, but it has to meet the requirements that Liveops specifies. Also, with your telephone headset requirements, Liveops opportunities require dedicated landline with telephone services, or with some of the jobs you have the option to have a VoIP or computer with USA headset, and each job that you are assigned will let you know which of these that you would need. Now, a lot of their customers do the landline, so you have to have a regular plain old phone that you plug into the wall and have a headset device for that. Now, it's important, if you're interested in working for Liveops, you can't have Skype, cellular phones, or satellite phones. You have to have a regular landline and a DSL connection. And for the VoIP or appliance program, you have to have a USB headset that is compatible with your computer. And it says that if you do not wish to purchase a VoIP phone, you need an analog telephone and adapter to convert to your home phone. So these are the phone requirements. And again, you can come to Liveops' website to get more in depth on the requirements of your phone. Now, your minimum computer requirements is that you have to have a Pentium 4 processor or better with a memory of 1 gigabyte of RAM. You have to have at least a Windows 8.1 And it says that Windows 10 is not compatible with all Liveops clients. So you have to review the opportunity description to see exactly what program that you need on your computer. Your browser needs to be at least an Internet Explorer 11. And the sound must have a sound card and be equipped with speakers and headphones. They want you to have a computer virus protection. And again, about your internet, I did state this earlier, internet connection, they want it to be a DSL connection. Now, some of the other requirements to get hired with Liveops is that, okay, you have to be at least 18 years of old. Your residency has to be in the United States. Now they're going to do a background check and a credit credit check on you. So you have to have a decent credit. Okay, and your age requirements is that you have to be at least 18 years of age. And these right here are the requirements that you have to get hired by Liveops. Now, you cannot live in Canada. You have to be based in the United States. And if you're interested in working for Liveops, you have to submit to their background check and a credit report. Now, the specifications of their background check, so you know what it entails if you either should be worth your time to apply, is the background information that they're going to need is all information provided on Liveops application is a third-party background check and must be consistent and verifiable. You will be asked to provide verifiable information where your home-based business is located, and you're going to have a social security card, a driver's license, or a government-issued ID. Now, why Liveops require a background check? Because some of the customers that you're going to be working with you'll be dealing with very sensitive information. So that's why they require the background check. Now, if you would like to know what causes you to fail your background check, okay, your credit history, if you have 2 or more civil judgments, tax liens, excluding a divorce of your marriage within the past 5 years, you would not pass. So if you have 2 or more judgments, if you have 2 or more bankruptcies, you would not pass. If you have debt that is past due or collections totaling more than $10,000, excluding not your home insurance, your home mortgage insurance, you would not pass. And if you have a freeze or a credit alert on your credit, you're going to have to release that so that they can run their check. Now, for a criminal background history, if they find that you have crimes on the county, state, or federal level, you probably won't pass the background check. If you have a felony record, you're not going to pass the background check. And if you have any misdemeanors, you may or may not pass that background check. So you can learn more about that coming to their corporate website, and I'm going to leave all the website information in the description. Now, this right here gives you a little brief overview of what it takes to get hired by Liveops. Now, you might be asking, what type of pay will you be making at Liveops? Now, Liveops, like I said, you're an independent contractor. You're going to get paid by, you're going to be taxed by a 1099, and you get paid weekly by direct deposit or PayPal. Now, with the earning and they let you decide or how do you want to get paid, direct deposit, on a credit card, or via PayPal. And PayPal may be changing, but you will learn more about that once you get hired by Liveops. But some of the earning potentials is you can make anywhere, and this is being conservative because again you are an independent contractor and you can pick up more hours, but you can make anywhere from $0 to $800 a week. And the basic hours that people work are 20 to 30 hours a week. But like I said, they will in certain job qualifications with the company let you work extra, pick up extra hours. So again, you can even pass the $800 a week. Now, I hope that this right here gave you a good overview of what Liveops is about. It is a reputable company. So if you are in the market right now to be able that you're looking to work from home, Liveops agent can be for you because you can work from home or any quiet place that meets their connection requirements. You can set up your own schedule to work around your life, and you can enjoy the freedom and flexibility of being your own boss as an independent contractor with Liveops. So again, like I said, everything that we talked about today, I would leave the links in the description below this video. I hope that you have found some value with this overview of Liveops. If you did get some value, please leave a comment in the description below because I do reply to all my comments. Please give me a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe to my channel so you know when I will be releasing my daily videos. And with that being said, also I'd like to recommend my #1 recommendation down below on where you can make money working from home. And with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Sandra Essex. I hope that you have found value with this review. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon so that you will be notified when I release my next video. So with that being said, take care, have an awesome day, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next review.